Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cook and clean with me, and today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. I have been wanting to try a meal kit service for a long time, and I've heard a lot of good things about Home Chef, so I was super excited when they reached out to me and wanted to work with me. So basically Home Chef is a meal kit service company, so you can go onto their website, select which meals that you want, and then you order them. They come to your door. All of the ingredients is in here, down to the seasonings. Like everything that you will need for that recipe is in the box that you receive. So my Home Chef box arrived at my door yesterday, and it had all of the ingredients in it for the 2 different meals that I had picked out. And have a coupon code for you guys. I will have the link and the details down in the description box. You can get $30 off your first order. This is a very awesome deal. So the meal that I'm going to be making tonight is Swiss fondue burger with parsley fries and smoky dipping sauce. And this picture of it looks so yummy right now because I am starving, so I'm ready to start cooking. And after we're done cooking and eating, then I'm going to be cleaning up the kitchen. So let's get right into the video.
So on the back of this paper is the full recipe. It shows you step by step how to make it. It's super easy to follow. So the first thing that it said to do was to preheat the oven to 450 degrees, and then after that wash the potatoes. And after I got those potatoes washed, then I cut up the onions, garlic, parsley, and then the potatoes. On the Home Chef website, they have tons of different meals for you to pick from, lots of options, and you can also put in if you're a vegetarian or if you have certain allergies, and then they will filter out the recipes that would work best for you. You can also select if you're buying these meals for a family of 2 or a family of 4, etc. Super easy to add the meals to your cart. Click the link down below to go and sign up and to see all of the variety of recipes and see just how easy it is to get started. Once everything was cut up, I mixed up the dipping sauce for the fries. I spread the fries out onto a aluminum foil lined baking sheet that I had sprayed with some nonstick spray. And then I put some salt and pepper on those and put them into the oven, and then I put a nonstick pan on the stove, got that going, and put some olive oil on there, and then I added in those chopped up onions. Then I got the hamburger patties started on another nonstick pan with some olive oil in there. Once the hamburgers were done, I toasted the buns in that same pan, and then I made the cheese sauce that goes on top of the hamburgers. Then all the cooking was done and I was ready to plate the food, and I made my hamburger patties way too small for these buns, but oh well, I'm not a professional, but it still turned out really yummy. Then I put that cheese sauce on top of there and those sauteed onions, and it was a very yummy meal. I forgot to film a taste test, like our reaction when we tasted the food. We were so hungry we just ate it up really fast, but it was very yummy. Everybody said that they loved it. After we were done eating supper, I got the kitchen cleaned up, and I had made quite the mess while I was cooking. I didn't do a very good job of cleaning as I was cooking, so I had a giant mess to clean up after supper.
I hope that you all enjoyed this cook and clean with me video, and don't forget to click the link down in the description box to go and check out the Home Chef website, and also don't forget to use my coupon code to get $30 off your first order. I will see you in my next video. Bye!